Yo guys, I've been wanting one of these tools for a while. It's a hub breaker, hub buster tool. Basically works kind of like a ball joint press. You put two lug nuts in. For this, we're working on a 3500 Silverado, above lifting capacity for my lift. And I had to knock out one of the studs because it's a massive hub. But still made it work. Should work for almost any hub. Real easy. Tighten your two lug nuts. Thread this press bar through, give a little bit of lube to your threads, and then let it rip. And it just breaks hubs free. Pretty nice. I'm glad I finally got one. Real thick steel here, and definitely a must-have tool for the Rust Belt, I'd say.
Yeah.
Worked great. There's the plate there. Looks like some thick hardened steel or something. There's our hub assembly. This one wasn't rusted in there too bad at all compared to most of them we see.